Assalamualaikum grade 6. I am your maths teacher Varda. Students, जैसा कि आपको पता है we have started with chapter number 15 जो कि है volume का. We have discussed different volumes of 3D shapes and we have also derived the formula of volume of cube and cuboid. Now in this lecture we are going to start with few of the examples. So now let's move towards the board. So student, example number 1 है हमारे पास. A cubical metal box is cut into small cubes, each having an edge of 3 centimeter. If the edge of the block is 1.5 meter, find the number of small cubes that can be obtained from the block. First of all, हमें इस question को comprehend करना है, हमें understand करना है कि हमसे पूछा क्या जा रहा है. A cubical metal box is cut into small cube. एक cubical metal box है जिसको small cubes में cut कर दिया गया है. अब जो small cube हमारे पास आ गया है उसकी हमें edge given है which is 3 centimeter. अब वो कह रहे हैं if the edge of a block is 1.5 meter, जो वो block है या जो box है उसकी edge है 1.5 centimeter, तो हमें पूछा जा रहा है कि हम कितने small cubes उस box में से find out कर सकते हैं या कितने हमें obtained हुए हैं. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to find out the volume because it is related to the volume question. And how? First of all, हमें find out करना है volume of small cube. Because it's a cube, then that would be equal to one length. That is length multiplied by length multiplied by length. So हमारे पास क्या formula होता है volume का? That is length multiplied by length. So we are going to get 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 which is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 centimeter cube. Because हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो एक edge given थी उसकी क्या length थी? That was 3 centimeter. So volume क्या हो गया हमारे पास? 27 centimeter cube. ये हो गया हमारे पास small cube का volume. अब हमें find out करना है the volume of a block or a box. Volume of a box जिसकी हमारे पास edge given है 1.5, तो इसका क्या formula है? Length multiply by length. So 1.5 multiply by 1.5 multiply by 1.5 will give us 3.375 meters cube, क्योंकि ये हमें given है meters. अब हमें जो find out करना है वो है find the number of small cubes that can be obtained from the block. ये कितने स्मॉल क्यूब्स हमें मिल सकते हैं एक मेटल बॉक्स में जिसका वॉल्यूम है ये. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे पास जो स्मॉल क्यूब का वॉल्यूम है दैट इज इन सेंटीमीटर और हमारे पास जो मेटल है दैट इज इन मीटर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट एज वी नो दैट 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो 1 मीटर क्यूब वुड बी इक्वल्स टू 100 multiply by 100 multiply by 100 will give us million centimeter cube. So अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको मैं इसके साथ multiply कर दूंगी. So I'm going to get in centimeter. So 3.375 multiplied by 1 million. So I'm going to get 3,375,000 centimeter cube and it will be changed into centimeter cube. So अब हमने कन्वर्ट कर लिया है हमारा मीटर क्यूब इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अब हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, द नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल क्यूब्स. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल क्यूब इन अ ब्लॉक. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सेंटीमीटर को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे, हमारे पास क्या है 27 से. सो व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू गेट, द नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स दैट इज 125,000 क्यूब्स. हमारे पास कितने क्यूब्स आ जाएंगे, 125,000 क्यूब्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्मॉल क्यूब्स की हमारे पास एज गिवन थी और जो हमारे पास ब्लॉक था द एज वाज गिवन टू अस वाज 1.5 मीटर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी वर एबल टू फाइंड आउट द स्मॉल क्यूब्स दैट कैन फिट इन दैट बिग ब्लॉक. So now let's move towards the next question. Okay students, now we are moving toward example number 3. जो example number 2 है that is very easy, that is related to the volume. You have to just multiply the given volume and you're going to get the answer. Example number 3 है हमारे पास. The dimensions of a brick are 25 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. How much space will be occupied by 2000 bricks stacked neatly together? So it's a very easy question. आपके पास एक brick की length, breadth और height given है. Now they are asking you that कि 2000 bricks कितनी space को cover करेंगे. So first of all we need to find out the volume of a brick. Volume of a brick के लिए आपके पास length multiply by breadth और multiply by height होनी चाहिए. Length is 25 multiply by 10 multiply by 7.5. And when you're going to find out its volume, it will be 1875 centimeter cubes. ये तो हो गया आपके पास volume of a brick. अब एक brick की आपके पास ये volume है, तो वो कह रहा है कि 2000 bricks को अगर आप neatly stacked करते हैं एक जगह में, तो वो कितना volume या कितना space cover करेगा. So what I'm going to find out कि I'm going to multiply the space covered by 2000 bricks. So you're going to multiply 1875 multiply by 2000. So what will be the answer over here? It will be 3,750,000. And it will be in, because it's in centimeter, so it will be in centimeter cube. If you want to change it into meter cube, you're going to divide it by million cubic centimeter and you're going to get your answer, which is 3.75 meters cube. You're going to divide this by million because we know that कि हमारे पास 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter होता है, तो 1 cubic meter is equals to 1 million centimeter cube. Exactly. So now we are done with this. I hope that you understood this concept. Now we are going to move toward the next example. So students, जो हमारी बाकी examples है, they are also similar with finding out the volumes. So it's not that hard, it's just multiplying it and getting your answers or getting the volume. हमारे पास example number 7 है. The volume of a cereal box is 2790 centimeter cube. If the length of the box is 20 centimeter and its height is 31, what is the width of a cereal box? That is a very easy question. How we are going to do it? आपके पास एक cereal box है जिसकी volume है. That means if I'm going to draw a cereal box like this, इस cereal box की आपकी जो total volume है, that is given to you, it's 2790, जिसमें इसकी हमारे पास given है length which is 20, हमारे पास given है इसकी height which is 31, that means this height is 31 और breadth is not given या width is not given. This cereal is in the shape of cuboid. So what is the volume of a cuboid? The formula which we have derived was volume of a cereal is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height. Breadth or width will be the same over here. So volume हमारे पास given है 2719 centimeter cube, जिसमें हमारे पास length given है 20, width हमारे पास नहीं given, I'm going to write W, और height हमारे पास given है 31. So now we are going to multiply this centimeter cube. We are going to get 620 multiplied by width because we need to find out the width. So it needs to be divided by 620 and the answer is 4.5 centimeter. So हमारे पास width क्या आ गई है? Width is 4.5 centimeter. हमारे पास क्या given था? Volume given था. We were given the length and we were given the height. And with the help of this formula, हमने ये सारी values इसमें put की हैं. We came up with the answer. हमारे पास width क्या आई है? 4.5 centimeter. So this is a very easy example. इससे related question आपकी exercise में भी given है that we are going to do in the later lectures. So now let's move toward example number 8. Okay, question number 8 है या example number 8 है हमारे पास. A pet shop has a cage with the volume 50,000 cubic centimeter. The cage has a breadth of 100 centimeter. The length and the height of the cage are equal. Find the length and the height of the cage. The question is quite easy. In this, they have given you the volume. आपको volume given है एक cage की और उसमें बताया गया है कि उस cage की जो breadth है that is 100 centimeter. और उसमें एक और चीज भी given है, length and the height. Yes, length and the height of the cage are equal. So basically हमें find out करना है with the help of a formula, volume of cuboid से length and the height of a cube. So first we are going to put the values in the formula because the cage is in a cuboid form. The volume of cage is equals to length multiplied by height and multiplied by breadth. So over here volume क्या given है हमारे पास 50,000 cubic centimeter and length and height is not given but breadth is given which is 100. So I'm going to take it on this side. Length multiplied by, because they both are same, so instead of height I'm going to use length multiplied by length. So I have shifted on this side. So 50,000 के साथ I'm going to divide 100. So this will be cancelled with this. So this will change into L square और ये आ जाएगा मेरे पास 500. If I'm going to take a square root of 500, I'm going to get the length of one side, so which is 22.36 centimeter. So as we know that कि जो length है वो ही हमारी height है. So length is also equals to 22.36 और height is also equals to 22.36 centimeter. So students, we are done with the examples. I hope that you understood how to find out the volume of a cube and how to find out the volume of a cuboid. So in the next lecture, we are going to start with the exercise. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.